Good evening, everybody. Hope we have discussed some of the questions in the previous class. Now, I am here to start this class with a few questions. Okay, without any delay, let's dive. Okay, first question. A to the power of B means 1 minute. A to the power of B means A raised to the power of B. If f of x is equal to ax power 4 minus bx power 4 square plus x plus 5, f of minus 3 is 2. This is what the data he given. 1 minute guys, 1 minute. Okay, done. See, have a look of it. That is okay. See, a to the power of b means a raised to the power of b. If f of x is equal to ax power 4 minus bx square plus x plus 5, then f of minus 3 is to find f of 3. This is the question which was asked previously in TCS. Now have a look. F of minus 3, substitute 3 in place of x. That is a into minus 3 power 4 plus, minus b minus 3 whole square minus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 3 power 4, which is 81. 81a minus 9b plus 2. This is what the equation we get. He has given f of 3 value is 2. That is, the entire equation we have to equate to 2. Then 2 gets cancelled, which we got is 81a minus 9b is equal to 0. 81a minus 9b is equal to 0. Now, have a look. I want f of 3, that is a into 3 power 4 minus b 3 square plus 3 plus 5. We have substituted 3 in place of x. Now, this can be written as 81a minus 9b plus 8. See, from the equation above, 81a minus 9b is equal to 0. Substitute 0 here, the answer will be 8. So, option B, which is 8. Is this clear, everyone? Kindly reply if it is clear. Then we'll move to the next question. I hope it's clear. Next question. Second question. See, 1/4 of the tank contains fuel. When 11 liters of the fuel is poured into the tank, the indicator rests at half mark. Okay, that is, let us think, find the capacity of the tank in liters. Let us think the tank has a capacity of X liters. The tank has a capacity of X liters. Okay, tank has a capacity of X liters. Now, have a look. Venki, at the end of the session, definitely I'll answer your doubt. Sure, Venki, I'll explain. See, tank X liters. Now, 1 by 4th of X plus 11 liters indicates the half mark. That is what he told. Half of X. 1 by 4th liters kaligundi tank. Okay, 1 by 4 liters it consists of. If I pour 11 liters in extra, then the tank is half full. So half of X. Now solve it. Solve it. Which is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. It gives us 1 by 4 of X is equal to 11. Then X equal to 44. That is, the tank consists of 44 liters. The tank consists of 44 liters. I hope it's clear. The tank consists of 44 liters. Now, have a look of method 2. Method 2. That is, the tank indicates a half mark after pouring the 11 liters, right? That is, this 11 liters is equal to 1 by 4th. Why it is equal to 1 by 4th? Because here he has given 1 by 4th full before, and after that half, it shows half. That is 1 by 4th are equal to 11 liters. That is 1 part equal to 11 liters. That is what he given indirectly. Multiplication factor is 11. I want 4 parts. 4 into 11, 44 liter. So directly by having a look at the question, we can answer instead of equation. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Next question. See, you have been given a physical balance and 7 weights of 46, 47, 43, 48, 49, 42 and 77 kgs. Okay. Keeping weight on one pan and object on another. What is the maximum weight you can weigh less than 178 kg? That is what he given. 178 kg. See, have a look of it, dears. That is, yes, by option verification also we can do it. No doubt. Previous question. Now, have a look. You have been given a physical balance of and 7 weights. Try to have a look. We have to form a kg which is less than 178. Which is less than 178. Now, the only possible way is, that is 48 plus 49 plus 77. If you add all these three, you can form 174 kg, which is just less than 178 kg. This is what the possible value less than 178 which can be formed by using the given weights. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Next one. See, how many 6-digit even numbers can be formed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so that the digit should not repeat and the second last digit is even. He asked us to find out a 6-digit, to form a 6-digit even number. So have a look of it. To form a 6-digit even number, I am taking 6 places for the sake of understanding purpose. Have a look of it. Last digit. If we want to say the given number is even, the last digit should be even. Either 2, 4, 6. These are the 3 digits that can be accommodated in the last place. That is 3. We have 3 places here. Okay. We have 3 places here. Now, coming to the second last digit. He told that the second last digit should be even. That is, for example, one number utilized here out of these 3. You will have 2 more here. We have 2 choices to accommodate. 2 choices. Now, out of these 2, we have 7 numbers given. Out of these 2, 2 are accommodated and remaining. For this place, we have 5 options or 5 choices. For here, 4 choices. Here, 3 choices. Here, 2 choices. 2 choices. Which is, this value is 5 factorial, which is 120 into 2 3s are 6. 126 are 720 ways. So we have 720 even numbers can be formed by using the given numbers. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply. If it is okay, I'll go with the next one. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Okay. Krishna, have a look of it, Nana. See, actually, we have to form a 6-digit even number. We have 7 digits and we have to form a 6-digit even number. 6-digit even number. Okay. See, have a look. For the first place, he asked us to form a even number. That is, for even number, the last place should be even only. So, out of the 7 numbers given here, the even digits are 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6 are the even numbers. So, we have 3 choices here. He told that the second last digit is even. Second last digit also even. Then for this place, for example, I kept a 2 here. Now we have 4, 6 for this place. That is, we have 2 choices. Now, have a look. Out of 7, 2 places are occupied. Then remaining, We have 5 digits here for this place, 5 choices for this place, 4 choices for this place, 3 choices for this place, 2 choices. Okay, like that it will be. Now, 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. The value for this is 120. 120. Now, see, for this 2 into 3, it is 6. So, 120 into 6, which is 720. We have to multiply. We have to multiply the choices. So, we can form the 720 even numbers. Is this clear? 720 6-digit even numbers can be formed. Is this clear, everybody? Kindly reply. This is the question from permutation combination. Okay. This is the question from permutations and combination. Strictly speaking, from permutation. Okay. Next. Okay. I hope it's clear. Next question. Next one. Next question. Out of a group of swans, swan ante hamsa. Out of a group of swan, 7/2 times the square root of the total number are playing on the shore of a pond. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది చూడండి నన్ను. కొన్ని గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్పాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దాంట్లో లెటస్ థింక్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, కొన్ని గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్పాన్స్ అనగానే వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, 7/2 times the square root of the total number are playing on the shore. That is 7/2 numbers are playing on the shore. The remaining 2 are inside the pond. 2 swans are swimming inside the pond. Then find the total number of swans. Actually, have a look of it. If you take the span count as x, then 7/2 root x, that is, see, 7/2 times the square root of the total number. Let the total number be x. 7/2 of the square root of x plus 2 is equal to the total number of swans. We have to solve this to get the answer. I hope it's clear. We have to solve this to get the answer. I am not interested to solve this because it will somewhat difficult to solve. Try to observe the another way. Let us think. Since he has given the square root, if you take, let the number of swans be x square, then have a look. 7/2 of root x square plus 2 is equal to x square. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now have a look. Square root cancel. Now we'll get x square. That is, if you take LCM here, that is 7x plus 4 by 2 is equal to x square. Okay, is equal to x square. If you cross multiply, 2x square minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now Check with the options. We know that second order quadratic equation minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 2ac by 4a. With the help of this formula or by using split method, we can solve. By using split method, we can solve. But I am not at all interested with this. Now, substitute the option. These are the total number of spans, right? Option A, 2 into x square we have taken, that is 16 minus 7. X means it is 4. X means 4. X square 16 అయితే x ఏమవుతుంది 4 కదా. సో 4. Next, have a look. 1 minute. This should be minus, right? So have a look. 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. This value is 32. 28 minus 4 minus 28 minus 4. This is minus 32. So 0. Only option A. It is the number of spans there is 16. Number of spans present there is 16. I hope it's clear. Number of spans present there is 16. Is it clear so far? We can simply do it like that. I hope it's clear. Next one. In a village, every weekend, 3/8 of the men and 1/3 of the women participate in the social activity. He has given that 3/8 of men. See, 3/8 of men and 1/3 of women participated in the social activity. If the total number of participants is 54, total number he has given 54. Okay, out of them 18 are man. If you consider this fraction, 3 parts out of 8 parts participated in this. He told that this 3 parts is 18 because 18 men participated. 3 6er. So 8 6er. 48. There are 48 men. Now have a look. Out of this 1/3, that is 1 part out of 3 parts of women participated in the social activity. Now we know that out of 54, 18 are boys. If you subtracted it, remaining 36 are girls. So 1 part 36. Multiplication factor is 36. Now 3 parts, 336. It's 108. The total strength is, if you add these two, you'll get 156. The total number of men and women in the village is 156. Is this clear? If it is okay, I'll go with the Next one. I hope it's clear. Robin Verma, I know. Thank you for your reply. Stay calm and contact me personally. I will clarify. Thank you. See, have a look. Have a look of it. See, he has given 3/8 of men plus 1/3 of women participated in the social activity. The total participants are 54. Total participants are 54. Now have a look. 3/8. He has given 18 men joined. That is 3/8 fraction. That is 3 parts out of 8 parts participated in the social activity. These 3 parts, it is 18. 3 6 are 18. 8 parts, 8 6 are 48. Total there are 48 men. 48 men. Now, 1/3 parts of the women participated. That is, out of 54, 18 are men, right? So, subtract it, you'll get 36. You'll get 36. So, 1 part, 36. So, that is multiplication factor is 36. Then 3 parts. 3 into 36, it's 108. It's 108. So, 48 plus 108, it 156. The total strength of the village is 156. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Kalyan, I hope it's clear. Next one. Have a look of next one. That is, if M is 30% of Q, M is 30% of Q, Q is 20% of P, M is 30% of Q, Q is 20% of P, and N is 50% of P. N is 50% of P. Of P. Then M by N he is asking. Actually, have a look. If I want to calculate the value of M, it is 30% of Q, which is Q is 20% of P. That is 30%, 20% of P. That is what he given. Okay, Q is nothing but 30%, 20% of PQ. I have substituted the value. That is 30%, which is 30 by 100. Directly we can take 3 by 10. But in order to make you comfortable, I am writing 30 by 100, 20 by 100 into P. This is nothing but 6 by 10. Not like that. 6 by 100 of P. That is M value. 6 by 100 of P. That is M value. If you consider N, which is, he has given 50% of P. 50% is nothing but half. Half of P is the N value. Now he asked us to find out M by N, which is 6 by 100 by 1 by 2 of P. Here also P present and here also P present. PP gets cancelled. Now, it will goes for 50 times. That is 6 by 50, which is 3 by 25. 3 by 25. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Now, have a look of next one. Have a look of next one. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. I'll go with the next person. Next one. See, there are 20 persons among whom two sisters are present. There are 20% among whom two sisters are present. 20 మందిలో ఇద్దరు సిస్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు. Find the number of ways in which we can arrange them in a circle. No, we have to arrange them as a circle. Okay. Now have a look. We have to arrange them in a circle. See, this is the question from permutation. Permutation and probability combination. Probability combination. Now have a look. Actually, he is asking to arrange the 20 of the numbers in which the two are the sisters around a circular table. See, n different things can be arranged in n factorial ways if the arrangement is linear. If the arrangement is linear. Now, for example, if you want to arrange n persons around a circle, we have to follow n minus 1 factorial ways. n minus 1 factorial ways. n minus 1 factorial ways. Which is nothing but, okay, which is nothing but, have a look of it. 20 persons, out of which 18 are one group and two sisters are one group. These two sisters, see, have a look. We have to arrange them around a circle so that there is exactly one person in between two persons. Two persons ki, two sisters ki మధ్యలో ఒకే పర్సన్ ఉండాలి. అంటే ఈ టూ సిస్టర్స్ దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి. Okay, see, these two sisters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial ways. And now we have to arrange 18 and these two sisters belongs to one group. Total there are 19 groups. So 2 factorial into 19 minus 1 factorial ways we can arrange. 2 factorial into 18 factorial. So answer C. 2 factorial into 18 factorial. See, have a look. I'll explain once more. Have a look. I'll explain once more. That is, there are 20 persons among whom two are sisters. 20 persons ఉన్నారు నాన్న. ఆ 20% లో 2 are sisters. 2 are ఈ 2 అసలు సపరేట్ గ్రూప్. ఇద్దరు జెండర్ వేరు కదా, సపరేట్ గ్రూప్. రెస్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ 18 are boys. Now this is one group and these are 18. Totally there are 19 present. Total there are 19 present. Now have a look. These 19 persons can be arranged circularly in 19 minus 1 factorial ways. That is 18 factorial ways. And out of this 18 factorial, 2 sisters we have to arrange again, right? So into 2 factorial. So 2 factorial is 2 only and 18 factorial. So answer is C. 2 into 18 factorial. Is this clear? I hope it's clear. Next question. Find the length of the longest pole that can be placed in an indoor stadium. 24-meter long, 18-meter width and 16-meter height. See, actually he has given a cuboid. This is length. Okay, so it is given as 24 and width. This is width, which is 18, and height. This is a height. He has given 16. Now, the longest pole he asked to find out. He asked us to find out, which is nothing but the diagonal. Nothing but the diagonal. Which is nothing but the diagonal. Diagonal is the only longest pole among all these. Now have a look. Diagonal D is equal to, which is D square is equal to L square plus H square plus B square. So diagonal is equal to under root of L square plus H square plus B square, which is square root of 18 square. First one, L is 24, right? So 24 square, 576 plus H square, 16 square, which is 256 plus 18 square, which is 324. If you add all these, square root of 1544, which is 34. Which is 34. 34 square. Sorry, it is 6, right? 1156. So which is 34? 34. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. See, how we have to find out the square root. There is a session which is recorded before. Have a look of it. Go to the playlist and have a look of it under speed maths or calculations tab. See, for the sake of here, I am saying square root of 1156 we have to find out. Separate the last two digits. Separate the last two digits. As it is ending with 6. 4 square, it is 60, and 6 square, it is 36. Either the last digit will be 4 or 6. If you come across these front digits, the remaining number, it is in between 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. It is in between 3 square and 4 square. Always consider least here, which is 3, and this 11 is near to the smallest square, which is 3 square. So consider the smallest number, which is 4. 34. For more clarity, go through the video which I have did previously. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Next one. See, of the set of 30 numbers, the average of the first 10 numbers is equal to the average of the last 20 numbers. Then the sum of the last 20 numbers is. That is what he asked. Now, have a look. Of a set of 30 numbers, okay, the average of the first 10 numbers is equal to the average of the last. We know that average is equal to sum by number. That is, the average of the first 10, the sum of the first 10 by number 10 is equal to the average of the 20 numbers is given as sum of last 20 numbers by 20. This will goes for twice. That is, he asked like the sum of last 20, right? Just cross multiply. If you cross multiply 2 into sum of first 10, that is what the answer. 2 into sum of the first 10 numbers. Option B. I hope it's clear. It's very simple question. Actually, we may confuse. Sir, he has given the options as the data, not with the answers. So we may confuse, but these kind of questions can be answered simply. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Next one. Thomas takes 7 days to paint a house. Okay. There is a person called Thomas. Who takes 7 days to paint a house. And there is one more person called Raz who takes 9 days to paint a house. 9 days to paint a house completely. How many days will it take to paint the house if both of them work together? Give answers to the nearest integer. Now, this is the question from time and work. We all know that. Now have a look. Actually, efficiency is not equal to time period. We know that the time period is inversely proportional to efficiency. The time period is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, have a look. That is, Thomas and Raj, if you find out in one day how much work he did, that is, first day, Thomas did 1/7 of the work and Raj did 1/9 of the work. If you take LCM, it is 63. As 7 and 9 are co-primes, their multiplication is the LCM. So, 63. 7 goes for 9 times and 9 goes for 7 times, which is 16/63. 16 fours are 64, approximately 4 days. That is 1/4 days we will get. If T and R do 1/4 of the work in one day, then total work completed in 4 days. 4 days. Okay. This is how we'll do. This is the general method. Now, whereas coming to the shortcut. Have a look of it. I want Thomas and Raj for the days. I want the days. Have a look. Simply LCM by factors we can apply. LCM of 7 and 9, which is 63. LCM of 7 and 9, it is 63. 7 goes for 9 times and 9 goes for 7 times. 63/16 approximately equal to 4 days. Okay. As he told to take the approximate value, it is 4 days. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Now, I hope it's clear. I hope you enjoyed the session. Definitely, we'll continue the session tomorrow. If you like this video, share with your friends and try to follow the channel Hyphatrix. Definitely, it will help you to, if you are the aspirant of the campus placements. Thank you, everybody. Take care of yourself. See, one person asked the doubt. That is, sir, why not we can take directly 6 factorial? Why not we can take directly 6 factorial? For the question, we have, see, for this question, one of the person, Nagur Basha, direct గా 6 factorial తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా అని అడిగాడు. యాక్చువల్గా నాన్న ది 6 factorial అనేది ఇక్కడ మ్యాచ్ అయింది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సేమ్ ఎవ్రీవేర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ see, have a look. Stay tuned, guys. If you got the same doubt, wait for a while. See, have a look. For example, he told that the digits should not repeat. If we did repetition, have a look. We have to form a 6-digit number. For this place, we'll have 3 numbers. 2, 4, 6. For this place, we have again 3 numbers. 2, 4, 6. 3 numbers. Now, for this place, there is no restriction. We can repeat the numbers. So, we have 7. We have 7 again. We have 7 again. And we have 7 again. Total it will become 7 power 4 into 3 square. These many numbers can be formed if the repetition is allowed. If the repetition is allowed. Okay, if the repetition is allowed. If not, okay. So repetition allow lekapothe, it will be equal to 6 factorial. కానీ అది ఈ కేసులో మాత్రమే సెట్ అయింది, అన్నిటికీ సెట్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాడు 6 డిజిట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఫామ్ చేయమన్నాడు. He asked us to form a 6 digit odd number. We can substitute 1, we can substitute 2, 3, we can substitute 5, we can substitute 7. We have 5 choices here and we have 4 choices here. For example, I am taking without repetition 4 choices. For this again we have 5 choices, 4 choices, 3 choices, 2 choices. This value is not 720, right? I hope it's clear. Nagur, I hope it's clear. Okay, direct ga 6 factorial తీసుకోకపోవటానికి కారణం ఇదమ్మా. Okay, next. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పమని అడిగాడు వెంకీ. హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ వెంకీ ఫర్ యువర్ పర్పస్. వాడు ఏం చెప్పాడు? 178 kg కన్నా తక్కువ వెయిట్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ద మ్యాక్సిమం ఉండాలి బట్ లెస్ దాన్ 178 ఉండాలి. మ్యాక్సిమం ఉండాలి, లెస్ దాన్ 178 ఉండాలి. హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో మీరు ఎంత యాడ్ చేసినా, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ యాడ్ చేసినా యూ విల్ గెట్ ద గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 178. నో డౌట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఎట్ మోస్ట్ 3 మాత్రమే యాడ్ చేయగలం. ఎందుకు? వీడు ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే లెస్ దాన్ 178 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి, లెస్ దాన్ 178 అన్నాడు కాబట్టి. So now have a look, which is 47, okay, plus 46 plus 43. You'll get some value. Like that we have to add. That is, if you add 48 plus 49 plus 77, I have taken the highest values among these. I have taken the highest values given in the series. Okay, given in the 7 weights. You'll get 174 as the answer. This is only the highest weight we can form. I hope it's clear. I hope it is clear. Okay, I think your doubts are clarified. Feel free to contact at any time. Definitely I will try to explain the values. Thank you everybody. Take care of yourself. If you like this video, share with your friends. Utilize the stuff. Thank you.